Hi everyone, let's talk about the Amazon Echo. So I've got it right here. This is the Amazon Echo Dot number 3. So what makes it different than the number 2? Let's look at it. So first of all, thinner and smaller. You can put them on top. You see that we are looking at something that is much bigger than the Echo 2. It took 2 years to get from here to here. So they took 2 years ago from the Echo 2 to come out with an Echo 3. You have the same controls as you would on the Echo 2. You have your mute button, your action button, your volume down, volume up. Now the lighted ring is more tapered on this than the predecessor, so it was more just around the top and it was more 90 degrees. This is more tapered. On the back, we have a USB connector on the Echo 2 and an audio out, and the same on here, we have an audio out, but we have a DC connector. That's due to the more power it needs to run the larger speakers. This is heavier. The Echo 3 is 30% louder than the Echo 2, so there is an improvement there, and I could feel from the weight of it, it definitely has a more premium feel to it. I can definitely tell that you're probably going to get better sound on it. You will notice a fabric around the side. So they got rid of the Amazon logo, so no more Amazon logo, and we have fabric along the outside. So that is a direct copy of Google, I think. The Google Mini has fabric on the outside, and they kind of took that design aesthetic. I think that's what everyone has decided that is a premium look. It definitely feels premium. So there are 3 colors with this. We are looking at I have the white model, there's a gray model, and there is actually a black model. This pretty much fits with everyone's design aesthetic. Now, Google Mini will have different colors. They have more fun colors like oranges and blues. Amazon did not choose to do that. Now, this is $50, same as this one. So there's no new change there. So you're looking at $50. I picked mine up on sale for $24, but there's sales running all the time. They're pretty much giving these away like they're doing with the Google Mini sometimes. So it's definitely the best buy. If you've got something that can run your entire house, any kind of thing in your house, this is the best thing to have. You know, one of these smart devices. I do notice it's got a nice rubbery bottom like the other one does. So it's a premium device. So the plug is white and square, and it's got the DC connector on the back of it. The wire is a little thicker than the USB connector. You know, it's going to be a little bit bigger than what you had before, but I don't think it's going to be obtrusive. You would think that there's no new features, but there is a great new feature. So you can pair these up in stereo. So they came out with the Google Sub, which can be paired with 2 of these. So the first thing you can do with the app is you can make these right and left stereo. You can even do it with these 2, make them right and left, but you'd want one comparable. So you'd want to get 2 of these, get a right and left going on that. You could do that with the app, make it right and left, and pair it with the sub, and you've got great stereo sound. All you need to get is the sub and 2 of these, and you've got a right and left speaker with a sub. That's going to be great sound. I think that is, you know, a good differentiator between the Google Mini, because you can't do that with the Google Mini. Alexa, volume max. Wow. Alexa, volume 4. Okay, so this is very easy to set up. All you do is hit the add button. You're going to add a device. Choose Amazon Echo. You're going to go Echo Dot, 3rd generation. Okay, so let's compare some music between the 2 devices. So I'm going to play some smooth jazz on the Echo 2. Alexa, resume. Alexa, stop. Okay, so now I'm going to pause the 2. Let's go to the Echo 3. Alexa, resume. Alexa, stop. Wow, you can see the difference. It is so rich. And actually, it was actually vibrating the table. I mean, how much the sound is. So you've got much more bass response with the newer system. So let's just see how it talks. Alexa, what is 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
I'll pause the 2. Alexa, what is 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Wow, much richer. We've compared the Echo 2 with the Echo 3. The Echo 3 is definitely, hands down, the much better device to buy. It's the same price point as the Echo 2, so you're not going to go wrong there. It has 2 years of advancements from the first one in sound quality. If you support this channel, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.